My Guru Mahārāja used to say like that finish this business in this life. Don't delay for the next life. You are spelling also that don't give me trouble again to come here to deliver you. That is the responsibility of the spiritual master. Spiritual master responsibility is to take the disciple to Krishna until he is able to help him. That is the body of the śāstras. Just like Bilvamaṅgala Ṭhākura. His spiritual master delivered him, taking the shape of a prostitute. So this, and amongst the stories are there, we have to take responsibility. The first thing is that we have taken very, very responsible task to finish this so-called lording over this material nature. The material life means everyone is trying to lord over the material, bhoga. And we cannot do that, that is not possible, therefore we are in trouble. This very mentality, that I shall lord it over everyone in the material world. And so long this, I shall serve Krishna, not lord it over. Well, this is the opposite. This is material mentality. I shall lord it over. The whole world is struggling. Everyone is thinking, I lord it over. I shall be over everyone. My bhoga shall be the largest number. I shall become. And our business is not to lord it over, but to serve Krishna.